Hi, welcome back to AI Data Explained. Today's question, what is the difference between where and having? A very common one in SQL interviews. Quick note, this question sounds simple, but most people miss one exact detail. When does each clause actually run? Where filters rows. It runs first, before SQL groups anything. Having filters groups. It runs later, after SQL groups the rows together. Here's the rule interviewers want to hear. If your condition uses an aggregate function, like count, sum, or average, you must use having. Where cannot see aggregate values because they don't exist yet at that stage. For example, to find departments with more than 5 employees, first, group by department. Then, having count star greater than 5. Try that same condition inside where, and SQL returns an error because where runs before grouping happens. One clause filters rows. One clause filters groups. Know which stage each one runs in, and this interview question becomes automatic. Thanks for watching. If this helped, subscribe. New SQL interview question every upload. Next.